How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Sign into your account. Tap Profile at bottom right corner and tap three-line icon at top right to access settings and activity page. Now scroll down. Under How you use Instagram, select your activity. Here you will see different interactions on Instagram like likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. First of all, you can easily tap likes to see a list of posts and reels you have liked. If you have liked a reel recently, it will show up in this section. You can easily manage it tapping on newest to oldest at top left and make it to newest to oldest and sort it. You can also choose all dates and select the date range, for example, past week, past month, year, or date range. Also, you can select all content types at top right and select Reels, and then tap on Apply button. And these are all your current Reels video that you have liked on Instagram. Also, if you want to see the Reels that you have commented on, then you can go ahead and tap on comments. And under comments interaction, you can easily see the comments that you have made on particular Instagram Reels. So from this following interaction section, you can easily find all your recently watched reels on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.